System owners that develop a system must continually keep in mind the mission and business focus of the organization. Systems that are more in line with the organizational mission or focus have a higher priority and therefore have to be better protected than systems that are not in line with this focus. This topic will talk about these subjects in more detail. This video will discuss Task P8, missions, business functions, and mission business processes that the system is intended to support are identified as part of the task, mission, or business focus. Potential inputs include the organizational mission statement, organizational policies, mission and business process information, system stakeholder information, cybersecurity framework profiles, request for proposals or other acquisition, request for proposal or other acquisition documents, and concept of operations. Expected outputs are mission, business functions, and mission business processes that will support the system, and mission business processes that the system will support. Primary responsibility for this task is the mission or business owner. Supporting roles include the authorizing official or authorizing official's designated representative, the system owner, the information owner or information steward, the chief information officer, the senior agency information security officer, and the senior agency official for privacy. This aligns with the SDLC in this way. For new systems, it aligns with initiation, concept requirements and definition. For existing systems, it aligns with operations and maintenance. This also aligns with the cybersecurity framework, IDBE, which is business environment, the organization's mission, objectives, stakeholders, and activities are understood and prioritized. This information is used to inform cybersecurity roles, responsibilities, and risk management decisions. Now on to the task itself. Organizational mission and business functions influence the design and development of the mission or business processes that are created to carry out those missions and business functions. So when we're building our information system, we have to determine how it relates to the organizational mission or business processes. This ensures we apply the right level of rigor and depth when we implement the security controls into the systems. Systems that are more impacted to or impacted by the organizational mission get greater depth and focus when applying controls and selecting controls. The prioritization of mission and business functions drives investment strategies, funding, resource prioritization, and risk decisions. The prioritization of missions and business functions affects the existing enterprise architecture and development of the associated security and privacy architectures. We build our security architecture and our security environment to support the mission and business function. That's why it's important that the system owner understands the organizational mission or the organizational business functions that their system will be supporting, so that the system can be developed correctly and the correct levels of security control and rigor and depth of implementation and assessment be applied to those systems. Information that is elicited from stakeholders to acquire a more thorough understanding of the organization from a security and privacy perspective, including the missions, business functions, and mission business processes. And this is important to get this information so you understand how your system will fit within the organization and support the roles the organization is tasked to complete. References for this task are NIST Special Publications 839, 864, 800-160, Volume 1, the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, and IR 1 and IR 8179. In closing, this module we discussed Task P9, its inputs, outputs, roles, and responsibilities, the SDLC lifecycle alignment, as well as the cybersecurity framework alignment, the mission business focus, and business focus information. It's important that if you don't understand these topics and how your system aligns with the mission and business focus, it's important you go back and check this video out again. If you do get it, we'll see you in the next video. I look forward to that.